What's going on, you guys? Working on a lawnmower tire here, and this is I've got a tube in it. Getting the tube in and all that is not that big a deal, but trying to get this side of the tire mounted on these teensy little tires can be a little difficult, even if you're using tire spoons, tire levers, all that stuff. So here's something that I just came across here. I wanted to try it out because it kind of treats it like a tire machine, like for a car tire machine or motorcycle tire machine. I opened up my vise here, if you can see that. I just opened up my bench vise. Now, assume this side of the tire would be off and the first side is mounted. I set it in my little vise here and make sure the rim is up above the edge of the vise, on both sides here, and just give her a good tightening down. Just good and snug, whatever. And I spray the tire with a little Simple Green or some soapy water or something, just so that it'll help seat it easier. And then you take your tire spoon, tire lever, whatever, and then you pry it on. You can get about 3/4 of it on while it's sitting like this. Then loosen your vise, and also have a little valve stem holder that keeps the stem from falling down into the rim. This is actually for motorcycle use primarily. You can find these online. But then once you get 3/4 of the rim seated, turn it. Turn it the rest of the way, whatever's remaining, to be about right here or so. Make sure you don't squish the rim itself in the vise. Snug her back down, and then a couple more pulls with your tire lever, and it'll seat easily. I fought with this stupid little thing for quite a while, and I have a tire stand and everything for motorcycles, but these little teensy things, a little bit more difficult. Because, it's just hard to get a good, even bite on it, for it to stay seated while you're working your way around. Anyway, I used my little bench vise, and it was done with in 30 seconds. So give that a try. Little bench vise, put your rim down in there, spray a little, lubricant on the tire, pry it on with your little tire levers, whatever. I don't even need more than one, Worked perfectly. Anywho, check out our other stuff. We're always working on something around the shop here. And like, subscribe, follow, blah, blah, blah. We're on Facebook as well under Horsepower House with a hyphen in between Horsepower House. All right, y'all. See you.